HUAWEI P9 Lite 2017, and let me show you how to change language on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Find and select the apps icon, choose here settings. From the list of settings, let's select system, and now select here language and input. Alright, here let's tap language at the top of the list, and as you can see right now I'm using English from United Kingdom, but in order to change the language, let's choose add a language right here. And from the following list, let me select here, for example, the Spanish. Here from the following list, let me choose the region, the Spain, and right now all I need to do is place the Spanish into the first position, and right now I can use the Spanish version of my device. Here I should see the list of the settings in Spanish, and the whole app and the home screen is also in Spanish. To go back to English version, use the apps icon, select Ajustes, choose here the Sistema, select Idioma e Introducción de Texto, type Idioma again, and place English into the first position. That's it, right now everything is in English. So thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.